Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction of the Sovereign Plaza in Mandeville. So this is it here. Now there was a plaza here before and they are tearing down the plaza and building a new one. So this was the front where you have the Shoppers Fair supermarket, but this structure is going to be demolished and a new structure put up. So let's take a look at what's going on. So at the back now, a completely new structure has been put up, and here you can see it. So the supermarket is going to be at the back here. So what they'll do is move the supermarket back here and then demolish the building at the front. So this is a new structure that was built, and this is going to be the largest plaza in Mandeville when finished. And this plaza is going to do very well for two reasons. The Sovereign name is synonymous with successful plazas. They know what they're doing, and also it follows the formula for a successful plaza. One, you build it in a populated area. Two, put in food stores, and as we go back to the front, you're going to see a Wendy's and a Domino's. And then three, you need a supermarket, a major supermarket chain, and this one has Shoppers Fair here already. So you'll have the Shoppers Fair supermarket, you'll have not only a food court, but you'll have Domino's, Wendy's, those kind of stores, and you'll also have a food court inside. We're not sure when this plaza is going to open, but it should be sometime next year. So this building on the right is going to be torn down or demolished. Okay, there you can see now on the right, the Domino's is open. It's up and running, and then beside it, you're going to have the Wendy's. So they're at the front. So remember, the supermarket is open now. The Shoppers Fair is still open. They won't close it until they're ready to move. The one at the back is open. So, alright, so this is an update on the construction of the Sovereign Center in Mandeville. So they have Sovereign, the original Sovereign is in Ligonier, and then you have Sovereign on the Boulevard, Sovereign Portmore, Sovereign North, quite a few plazas.